So for this problem, we're going to use the geometric mean, which I defined in one of the last videos. And what I need to do, if I want to find this altitude right here, which is x, then what I need to do is I need to take these two lengths here in 9 and 7, and I want to multiply them together and take their square root. So essentially what I'm talking about is I've got x squared equals 9 times 7, or x is equal to the square root of 9 times 7. And as you can see, and now it's going to start recording, so I can now speak over this, and it's recording my voice now in this. But it's leaving everything there because I had you won't get any sound. It's just a little glitch, but it doesn't really matter. Now, once you know it, it just doesn't make
You
it's
just
not a
don't know
thing.
it. Okay.
So here I can name this, right? So up here, I say